Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Priyankar Pal, consultant pediatrician. I'm a professor of pediatrics at the Institute of Child Health, Kolkata. So, what causes cough in babies? Now, cough is basically it is the it can be because of a variety of problems. Variety of problems. So, the commonest thing is the infection, and that is one of the things that very uh, we should be cautious about infections. So it can be a viral infection, it can be a bacterial infection. So the commonest are the viral infections, but again, if the baby is having a little high fever, if the baby is looking sick, so it may be a bacterial infection, it can be a pneumonia, which can be a serious problem, which may require intravenous antibiotics, which may require admissions. So other than infections, a lot of things can cause cough. It can be a little allergy, maybe a little pollution, exposure to some pollutants, some smoke. So that also can cause cough. Asthma. So pediatric asthma is on the rise. So a lot of children, asthmatic children, they just have a persistent cough, recurrent chronic cough. So that may be a presentation of asthma. Sometimes the cough is worse at night and on getting up from the bed, and they occasionally have little breathing difficulty. They may have exercise intolerance. So the baby, when they go out to play, they become a little wary, they fatigue easily. So that can be again a presentation of asthma. And then you can have a lot of other coughs, including whooping cough, heart failure. Heart failure can occasionally present with cough. So cough is basically a combination of a variety of factors. So again, if the child is suffering from cough, do not give any over-the-counter medicine to the baby, because there are a variety of coughs and each cough needs to be treated separately. It needs to be differentiated and treated accordingly. So well, I think uh, we had a nice discussion on allergies and coughs in children, and wishing you all a very successful parenthood. Thank you.